हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज की वीडियो में हम 22 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करेंट अफेयर MCQs को थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, जिनका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। एज पर द IMF, what percentage of global real-time digital payments is powered by India's UPI system? And the answer is 50%. Second question, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit which two countries from July 23rd to 26th, 2025? And the answer is UK and Maldives. Third question, recently which bank was guaranteed scheduled bank status under the second schedule of the RBI Act 1934? And the answer is NSDL Payment Bank. Fourth question, who painted the only known oil portrait of Mahatma Gandhi recently auctioned for over $2 lakh? And the answer is Clear Lighton. Fifth question, what is the name of the largest Martian meteoroid found on Earth recently sold for $5.3 million? And the answer is NWA 16788. Sixth question, what is the name of the bilateral naval exercise between India and Singapore, now in its 32nd edition? And the answer is Simbex. Seventh question, what is the purpose of INS Sandhyak's recent visit to Port Kalang, Malaysia? And the answer is promote Mahasagar vision. Eighth question, which country will host the next three World Test Championship final, that is 2027, 2029 and 2031? And the answer is England. Ninth question, who won the women's single title at the BWF Japan Open 2025? And the answer is Ahn Se-young. 10th question, Chandra Barrett, who recently passed away, was best known for directing which iconic Amitabh Bachchan film? And the answer is Dawn. 11th question, what was the theme of International Chess Day 2025 observed on July 20? And the answer is, तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सेकंड, दैट इज एवरी मूव काउंट्स। 12th क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द थीम ऑफ इंटरनेशनल मून डे 2025 ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन जुलाई 20? एंड द आंसर इज वन मून, वन विजन एंड वन फ्यूचर। 13th question, endangered plant conservation program has been launched in which state? And the answer is Uttarakhand. 14th question, Aditi Chauhan has announced retirement. Which sport is she related to? And the answer is football. 15th question, who became the first Indian woman to reach the semi-finals of the FIDE Women's World Cup 2025 edition? And the answer is Koneru Hampi. 16th question, when is International Moon Day observed every year? And the answer is 20th July. 17th question, what is the name of India's first indigenous malaria vaccine being developed by ICMR? And the answer is Adfalkivax. 18th question, which state has launched the milk subsidy scheme to boost the dairy sector? And the answer is Assam. 19th question. Indian Astronomical Observatory that was recently seen in news is located in which state or UT? And the answer is Ladakh. 20th question. National Standards for Civil Service Training Institutes 2.0 framework was developed by which government body? And the answer is Capacity Building Commission. 21st question. Where was India's international movement to Unite Nations Conference 2025 held? And the answer is Noida. 22nd question. Where was the Youth Spiritual Summit 2025 organized? And the answer is Varanasi. 23rd question. Which ministry is the nodal authority for the Maulana Azad National Fellowship Scheme? And the answer is Ministry of Minority Affairs. 24th question. Which medal did India win for the first time in which sport badminton in the FISU World University Games? And the answer is bronze medal. And the last 25th question. ISRO under the leadership of Chairman V. Narayanan has announced to establish an independent Indian space station by which year? And the answer is 2035. तो ये थे 22 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच नेशन बिकम्स द फर्स्ट विथ 4 women in the FIDE World Cup quarters? Second question, which state government decides to launch a special program Shakti Shri to ensure the safety of girl students in colleges and universities? Third question, International Chess Day 2025 is celebrated on which date? Fourth question, where was the first campus of the Indian Institute of Creative Technology inaugurated? And the last fifth question, what is the rank of India in 57th International Chemistry Olympiad 2025 held in Dubai, UAE? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है।